So in this video, I want to use this function in order to compute the p-value for the null hypothesis that the false positive rates for group A and group B are actually the same. So again, what does this function do? So this function takes in test, pred, and FPR. So for example, test A and pred A and, I don't know, 1/2. So what it then does is it returns a vector of fake predictions where it generates the predictions for the negatives in such a way that in the long term the FPR would be this. Okay? So let's write a function called fake diff. Like so. And it's going to be a function, and it's going to take test A and test B, and pred A and pred B, and it's going to take the FPR. So what this function is going to do is it's going to make a fake pred A and a fake pred B, and it's going to compute the difference between the FPRs that are obtained using the fake predictions. Okay? So we're going to say, okay, all right, so we have the FPR. So we'll say fake pred A is going to be, so test A is going to be fake pred. And we're going to give it test A, goes to there, and we're going to give it pred A, and we're going to give it FPR, like so. And then we're going to do the same thing for fake pred B. So it's going to be fake pred B is going to be fake pred test B, and pred B, and FPR. So now we have the fake pred A and the fake pred B. So all that's left to do is to compute the absolute difference between the FPRs that are obtained using the fake pred A and the fake pred B. Okay? So how do we do it? Well, we wrote this function called FPR in the previous video. Well, we just assumed that we had it. And we're going to say return absolute value like this, and it's going to be FPR. So here we're going to give test A and fake pred A, and we're going to subtract the FPR that is obtained using test B and fake pred B. Like so. Okay, so now what this function does is it takes in this kind of data and it takes in FPR. So this would be like one single FPR for both group A and group B. Then it'll generate fake predictions where in the long term the FPR is going to be like this. So the predictions are going to look like this, but the FPR is going to be set. So the FPR on average in general is going to be just this thing for both A and B, and then it'll return the absolute difference.